What's up, guys? We are out here, US Air Auto Sports Park, my first drift event. Just finished getting set up here. We got the canopy for some shade. It's gonna be a toasty one, and then the old G's all good to go. Had to do a little thing quick with the battery. You gotta have everything secured down, terminals covered, so just covered it up in some tape, make sure lug nuts were torqued and set, and now we're gonna do a little wander before tech and see what else we get out here. Alright guys, so I was doing a little chat with some of the tech inspector guys, guy that's been there a couple events, and he's telling me that I definitely don't have enough tires. So I brought one set of tires and then a backup set of winter tires, hoping that I'd go through a set and a half a day and have my winters to get home or something. But he's telling me I'm going to need at least 6 sets of tires for the whole day. So I am running into town here. Got a place called Badgerland Tire that I'm swinging through. Running into town, just looking to pick up an extra couple sets if I can. Hopefully I don't break the bank so I can still have fun this weekend. We'll see what happens. All right, so good news and bad news. We're back at the track. Parked up, ready to go. Good news is I found more tires. I just bought 2 sets of 19s and 1 set of 18s to go on my snow tires that I brought here so that I don't have to rip those things up, because I know they're not going to last, but not bad. I mean, tread's not bad here. Not awful. So hopefully we'll be able to get at least a half a day in. And it was only 126 bucks. So shout out to Badgerland Tires and fucking Shawano. Rock on, guys. Thank you for saving my day. Oh, sorry, I said good news and bad news. I forgot to say what the bad news was. Bad news was I got here late for the driver's meeting. So I don't really know what's going on. They're doing a classroom session up above the in the tech building. That's gonna be about 45 minutes. They're gonna give us a layout of the track, show us where to hit, drive lines, that kind of stuff. But man, I gotta leave at 2. I don't want to take 45 minutes to do a driver's meeting. Not a driver's meeting. Do a whatever. I don't know. I can't remember. I'm doing too many things at once. Anyways, bad news. I missed the meeting. But I got tires, so whatever. Rock on. Okay, so all I did was just clutch kick and clutch kick and clutch kick because I'm trying to battle this Nissan VLSD, so I'm learning here that it's not a true LSD. What it means is just the fluid. It's what locks up the differential. So when it starts to slip, I've basically just been one wheel peeling for most of the day. A little bit frustrating, but you know, it's cool knowing that I can just keep on clutch kicking it. You know, I was able to put together a few good donuts. Almost got the transition down. I definitely put the cone on my driver door, but we'll get there. Probably get one more round in. It's 12:45 now. I think they're shutting it down at 1 o'clock. So go back, eat lunch, shut up shop, and get out of here because your boy's got to go bartend so I can buy more tires.
Yeah. It seems to work. Like, now you just got to work on like the timing part, right? Like, so yeah, that's, you know, that's the next part. Keep messing around with it. The main thing is like you got to get past the center point and you got to figure out when you want to actually like do the clutch kick to flick it back.
Right. Yeah, that transition.
So yeah, try staying wide. So the wider you go, the easier it is, and you won't spin out too fast. But yeah, at least solve that problem.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, thanks for that.
yeah, no
Appreciate
problem.
it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the left-handed and the right-handed donut down. Sick. I just gotta figure out how to transition. Alright, so I'd say okay first day, learning how to drift. Didn't go through even a set of tires, so obviously I could push her more. But, you know, I gotta go sling drinks for work, make some money, so only a half day for me, time to clean up and grab a bite to eat, see if I can fit 4 sets of tires in this thing, which with tools and a tent and shit, I don't know. We'll see though. It was fun. All in all, good trip. Time to pack up and start prepping for the next one.